if you look here, these are the normals for May. The May 1st normal high is 79, all the way to 88 by the end of the month.
Here we go.
It's 'tis the season, folks. Have you checked your ACs already? I'm sure some of you have already used them. Lows go from 60 to 69, and then we look at the rain. This is actually typically our wettest month of any given year. We average, or we see normally 4.78 inches of rain in May. So that, again, makes it the wettest month typically in North Texas. Now, let's go back to the temps, because we're actually going to well exceed those highs that we see at the end of the month by the time we get to the end of this week. We're going to have temps in the mid-80s Wednesday and Thursday. Then Friday, about 91. That's 11 degrees warmer than the normal of 80 degrees. That comes with humidity, and I want to start there because the increased humidity will at least bring us some chances for storms too. So let's look at our forecast dew point, which is the true measure of moisture in the air. It tells you how sticky it's going to be. This is what we call the muggy meter. You'll hear that a lot. If you're in the green area, it's comfortable. Yellow starts to get a little sticky. Red is uncomfortable, and we call pink disrespectful because it's extremely humid. So take a look. Tuesday's fine. Wednesday, we start to creep in close to sticky territory. Then certainly Thursday and Friday, it's going to be humid. Thursday, dew points in the mid-60s. Look at this. By the time we get to Friday, dew points in the low 70s. That means when you factor in that high of 91 I just showed you with dew points like this, heat index values 95, 96, 97, somewhere around there. So it's unavoidable in North Texas. But it's coming by the end of this week. Clear skies tonight. We have a few clouds that have streamed into the west. Now let's talk about those rain chances as moisture increases. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday look dry. We'll start to see a disturbance well out west, bring at least some thunderstorm chances to the Panhandle and West Texas as soon as Tuesday. Wednesday, it will likely still stay to the west of our area, but then Thursday, the system at least gets close enough that right here, Thursday late afternoon, going into the evening, some scattered showers or storms. It is that time of the year. Now, where there could be some large hail in some of the thunderstorms. None of this particular setup shows organized severe weather events or significant severe weather outbreaks, but more just some severe thunderstorms would be possible with some large hail up to the size of quarters, maybe some damaging winds up to 60 miles an hour. That would be the main concern. That chance will go into Friday and into next weekend too. This is kind of an average, a tenth to a quarter of an inch of rain over the next 10 days, just to show you how scattered it is. Now, of course, if you find yourself under a thunderstorm, you're going to get a lot more than a quarter of an inch, but that's just kind of an average as we go through the next 10. Tonight, 56, mostly clear skies, dry, cool with light winds. Tomorrow, 78. A nice day tomorrow. There's the next 10. 91 for Cinco de Mayo with a chance of rain. I know the rain chance might be what you're staring at, but if you have outdoor plans, I'm more focused on the temp. 91 with heat index values in the mid-90s. The weekend still very warm, 87 on Saturday, Sunday 86. And there are those daily isolated chances for showers and storms.